If you're thinking about buying a fuel-efficient car without sacrificing performance, hybrid vehicles in 2026 are the smart choice. They combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor to reduce fuel consumption while delivering a smooth and modern driving experience. In this article, we highlight the best hybrid cars and SUVs currently available. Best hybrid cars of 2026. 1. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. One of the most popular choices worldwide, offering an excellent balance between power and fuel efficiency with an all-wheel drive system ideal for winter driving. 2. Honda CR-V Hybrid 2026. A highly practical SUV, perfect for families, delivering strong performance with fuel economy around 40 mpg. 3. Toyota Camry Hybrid 2026. If you prefer a sedan, this is one of the best in its class, with fuel efficiency exceeding 50 mpg. 4. Kia Niro Hybrid 2026. A very economical option and one of the most fuel-efficient hybrids, exceeding 50 mpg. 5. Hyundai Palisade Hybrid 2026. A large family SUV with strong performance and modern technology, ideal for long trips. Best hybrid SUVs of 2026. 6. Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. Sporty design with enjoyable performance, featuring standard AWD and good fuel efficiency. 7. Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Perfect for large families, offering spacious seating and impressive efficiency for its size. 8. Kia Sorento Hybrid. Plug-in hybrid. Offers 3 rows with hybrid and plug-in options, combining practicality with advanced technology. 9. Mazda CX-90 PHEV. A more premium option with the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. Why choose a hybrid in 2026? Significant fuel savings up. Environmentally friendly. Smooth and quiet driving experience. No need for constant charging for standard hybrids. Whether you're looking for a compact, fuel-efficient car or a family SUV, the hybrid market in 2026 is full of strong options for every need. Whether you're looking for a compact, fuel-efficient car or a family SUV, the hybrid market in 2026 is full of strong options for every need. Brands like Toyota and Honda continue to lead thanks to their reliability and efficiency.